A very good morning, children. Today we are going to begin our class or continue the class of the chapter 19, meaning, objectives and terminology of accounting, isn't it? Children, let us recapitulate what we did in the previous class, that is, what is accounting and what is bookkeeping and their objectives, right? Bookkeeping, it is concerned with the systematic recording of transaction in the books of original entries and their posting to the ledger, isn't it? What are the steps involved? We do the journalizing the entries. Every day entry has to be put. Then they are supposed to be posted in the ledger. Then totaling of accounts is done, and then the balance is prepared, right? And what happens in bookkeeping? One more thing which is very important is where the bookkeeping ends, the accounting starts. Okay. The accountant, what does he do? He summarizes the results of transaction recorded by the bookkeeper. A person who keeps the bookkeeping account is known as the bookkeeper. And the accountant, what does he does? He analyzes, whatever information is given by the bookkeeper, right? Now today in this video, we'll be discussing about the difference between accounting and bookkeeping and what is accounting cycle, right, which is an important thing. Now let's begin with the difference. Bookkeeping means to identify, measure, record. Accounting means to summarize whatever information has been collected by the bookkeeping. This accounting, it summarizes it. Okay, the main object of bookkeeping is to record, and the main object of accounting is to know and communicate, what all information has come, what all transactions are there. Okay, bookkeeping is the first step of accounting process, and accounting is the second step of the accounting process. For bookkeeping, no higher and special knowledge is required about the core of accounting process. For accounting, as compared to bookkeeping, an accountant must have high and special knowledge about the core of accounting process, because here they have to just record in a systematized manner each and every entry is being entered, and here the accountant works on these information given by the bookkeeping. Now bookkeeping has no branches, but it can be divided into two methods: single entry system and double entry system. And this accounting, it has got many branches. Financial accounting is there, cost accounting is there, management accounting is there, human resource accounting is there, social responsibility accounting is there. These are the different types of accounting. They are the branches. Okay, what are the tools here for bookkeeping? Journal, subsidiary books and ledger. And bookkeeping, trial balance and financial system. Children, this you will be studying in details later. Just you need to know the difference between both them. Okay. Now financial statement is not the part of bookkeeping. Financial statement is a part of bookkeeping. From here only, in accounting only, you get all information about the financial status of an organization. So this is a very important part. And who does the bookkeeping? Junior staff, and the senior staff does the accounting. Okay. Now, a very important topic which you should know: this accounting cycle. Okay. Now you will ask me, teacher, what is this accounting cycle? Accounting cycle, it is it is referred to a complete sequence of accounting activities which takes place. It begins with recording of transaction and ends with the preparation of balance sheet. See, here the closing entry. Can you see it in the diagram? First they record the information, then they post it to the general ledgers. These are the journal entries first, then general ledger. From there they calculate the trial balance, then make the adjustment. Then they create an adjustment trial balance, then they make the financial statement, they make the closing entries, and this way it keeps on rotating. Okay. The accounting cycle, this is what it is, right? Now what are the steps in accounting cycle? The first thing which you need to do is transaction, financial transaction starts the process. If there were no financial transaction, there would be nothing to keep track of. Transactions may include a debt payoff, any purchase or acquisition of assets, sale, revenue, or any expenses incurred. Basically speaking, all the things which are related with money, which can be measured in money in a business, can be called a transaction. It is entered here. Then the second step is journal entries. Chronological order means in sequence, one after the other, whatever. In a day maybe there are 50 journal entries, so that has to be written in sequence, day wise, date wise, in a sequence. Then these journal entries, they are posted into general ledger. Means, like for example, how much money they have spent in cash, how much money they have spent in purchase, how much sale has been done, what are the stationery purchases. So they make different account to know the real thing which is spent in it. Okay. Then is your trial balance. After all this, a trial balance is there because to check are correct whether or not. Okay. Then they prepare the worksheet. When the debits and credits of the trial balance don't match, then they try to correct. There are two sides. Okay. Further you will come to know, children, this just understand trial balance. That is, they try to balance the account. So if there is an error, they try to make changes in this, okay, so that both the balance tally. They do the adjustment entries. Then the financial statement is prepared. In this, they are supposed to make the trading account, the profit and loss account, the balance sheet, to know the exact situation. And this is done every year. And closing, the revenue and expenses account are closed and zeroed out to the next accounting cycle. Okay.